Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let me show you a difference. Ford F-150 doesn't have an air filter. Yep, cabin air filter does not exist on Ford F-150. Ford does not believe in that. Ford doesn't think you need one. Right there. You see? There is no air filter. Cabin air filter does not exist. Ford think you should be breathing dust and dirt and should not be complaining because you're driving the Ford. You know, no filter. Some of you might say, well, it's underneath there. You know, people who don't do anything on their own gonna say, well, there you go, there's no air filter. Yep, it took Ford 7 years to come up with an air filter. Starting in 2015, that's when they actually introduced the first time cabin air filter. So if you are having issues with allergies, well, think again. If your truck doesn't have air filter, you're gonna be having a lot more health issues in terms of breathing. You know, you're breathing dust, the pollen, and so on, because you don't have air filter, cabin air filter. Toyota introduced their first in their truck in 2007. So Ford is behind 7 years, Toyota. Over there says Toyota. For those of you who think that I'm showing you something else here, well, let me show you where the filter location is. So there you go. You see, there's a filter. I need to actually replace that filter. Maybe just vacuum, clean it, or maybe it needs to be replaced. So there you go, as you can see. Toyota Tundra has a filter. Ford doesn't have, because Ford doesn't believe you as a owner should be breathing clean air. Ford keeps telling people that they are the leaders, but they are not. They're 7 years behind Tundra. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you. Good luck.